Okay, tell Tony why we need that cute little vacuum.
No.
Really? Doesn't Mommy need it? Aren't you super messy? Really? Are you sure? Because there goes one fruit snack. Does it work in the car, Tony? Say, love you, Tony.
Bye.
Okay, say kisses to Tony. I could use the Hoover every day of the week. Good job, George! Yay! Georgie! Yeah, Georgie! Does that vacuum come with a wet vac option? Huh? Did you just lose half your water bottle down the front? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Mama really needs this vacuum. Because we're messy.
Who's Tony? She's my new best friend. Yeah, please give my mom that vacuum. Okay, what were you going to say?
I don't want Tony.
Oh, but we love Tony.
What's Tony's name?
Her name's Tony.
I don't like Tony.
But she has a cool vacuum for us.
Tony.
Yeah, Tony. Say, I'll be your best friend. No. No? Yeah? Okay, good. So how are those chips, Livy? Yeah, did you get yourself a snack? Yeah, just one small example of why that Hoover vacuum would come in very handy. Are you going to clean up? Are you going to clean up? No? Well, I'll show you what I usually have to get to clean up. We have central vac in our house, which is nice, but look at this massive hose and vacuum that I have to haul out of my closet every time I even want to vacuum the smallest mess. It is such a pain. So I could really use that cute little vacuum for all those messes I have, which happen, I'd say more like hourly rather than daily. Okay? I know, we could use that vacuum, huh? What do you think? Really? Uh-huh. Let's see if we can find any other messes. Let's go into my daughter's bathroom. Oh, hey! Does that vacuum happen to suck up dirty underwear, which is always left on the bathroom floor after they shower? Pair of socks. Yeah. I don't think there's a cure for that. I've tried, trust me. I don't think I'd get much use of it in this bedroom since there is no floor space to vacuum. So much for the whole no computer, no TV, no playing threat if your bed's not made and your clothes put away before you go to school. Nice. But maybe with that cute little vacuum, they'd be excited to vacuum and keep their room spotless. A mom can only hope. Okay, let's see if I can do this. My 3-year-old wouldn't film me, so I'm using a reflection in a mirror. Oh, am I on camera? Okay. Hi, Tony. I'm looking gross because I haven't had a chance to shower yet today. Anyway, we could so use that vacuum in our family. 4 kids, 2 under the age of, how old are you, George? 3 and a half?
Yeah.
Not 4 yet. Nice try. and lots of messes, and the huge central vac that I have to haul out of my closet is kind of a pain. So anyway, we're your new best friends. I promise. We would love that vacuum. It would be life-changing. Thanks. Do you have anything to add? No? Did you want to say how much Mommy needs that vacuum? No? Maybe to suck all those boogers out of your nose you kept picking at during your performance? What do you think? No? How about my friend Trisha? You want to tell her how much you love her? No? Really? How about I suck out some of that attitude? What do you think? How's that going? Mm-hmm.
She's making a mess. And can get that.
Yeah, it looks like she got herself a snack. What do you think?
Oh, it's a mess. We need a cool vacuum.
That's right. Well said, buddy. And you weren't even scripted. You are so my best friend. Okay, I'm going to go clean up that chip mess. Here's what I get to do. Take this thing. No, this isn't the cool vacuum. We don't have the cool vacuum yet. Haul this mother out of the thing. Whoa. Kill myself tripping over it. And go over here. Plug it in. All right. Hey, Missy. Out of the way, Toots. Oh, yeah, you grabbed those before I stuck them all up. I'm not saying it doesn't work well. I'm just saying there's a better option for all these mini messes that we deal with during the day. And trust me, with a 1.5-year-old and a 3-year-old, you know, and I would say my 9-year-old is messier than my 3-year-old. At least I don't have to worry about her going on any dates when she turns 16, because, yeah. Okay, so that's done. But, oh, I missed a few. Oh, well, Livy can eat those later. Anyway, would have been done a lot faster if I had that cute little vacuum. Because now I get to unplug this thing and put this behemoth away. No, what?
The cool vacuum.
The cool vacuum? That's what we need? You're right. We should have a cool vacuum, huh? Would you help me vacuum if you had a cool vacuum?
About a cool vacuum with Batman stickers.
Batman stickers?
Yeah.
Yeah, how about we not put Batman stickers on the cool vacuum?
Well, I mean, to be really, really, really cool, because I want Batman stickers and Superman stickers.
Would you help Mommy vacuum if you had Batman stickers on the vacuum?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, sold. You can put a Batman sticker on there. All right. Livy, can you say bye?